Spin bikes with their customizable resistance and low-impact nature are a beacon for beginners venturing into the world of fitness. But is it the right choice for you? Low-impact and joint-friendly, spin bikes offer a cardiovascular workout that's accessible to those just starting out, especially if high-impact exercises like running are off the table. Dial in your challenge, they say, as spin bikes boast adjustable resistance levels. Beginners can start slow, gradually ramping up the intensity to build stamina and strength. Guidance is key, and many gyms provide spin classes led by certified instructors. They ensure you're pedaling correctly, maximizing benefits while minimizing risks. The motivation in a group setting is electric. The collective energy of a spin class, amplified by upbeat music, can inspire consistency and enjoyment in your fitness journey. So, spin workouts are not one-size-fits-all. They can be tailored to your goals, whether you're aiming for endurance or the heart-pumping peaks of high-intensity interval training. As your fitness level ascends, so can the intensity of your spin sessions. It's a progressive path that aligns with long-term aspirations, all from the convenience of any weatherproof location. Before you hop on, remember to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health concerns. With their green light and your determination, the spin bike could be your gateway to a healthier lifestyle.